We are here with Mr. Peter and Mr. Isaac. They are visitors and they came to see us today. So, Mr. Peter, where did you hear about this place?
Wow, I hear from a brother in marriage.
Yeah,
Basically, he's in Cape Town.
in Cape Town,
So,
South
yeah,
Africa.
he's the one who let me know this
Yes.
place. But to my surprise, I didn't know it is happening here in our area, in Area 25.
All right, so you're also
Come
staying
on.
in Area 25.
Yeah, sure.
Imagine, and you didn't even know about us.
Oh, I tell you.
And
But
then you are
this is
so
a great
excited.
place.
Tell me what excites you the most here.
Basically, this machine,
Uh-huh.
I know it can put more bricks. I think five. Is it
Yes,
five at
five,
once?
five.
Yeah.
Actually, the output. Talk about the output.
The output of itself.
1,500.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes, a day.
Yeah. The maximum output of 1,500.
Yeah.
So
That
it's
is
something
great.
out of extraordinary, and to take it that the person who's doing it,
Yes.
he says he hasn't gone like that far with those kind of things, but
Yeah,
it's out
he
of his
didn't.
own creativity.
Yeah,
Yeah. So that's how impressed anyway.
yeah,
Not only there.
Yeah.
Here again, there's a goodwill buzz.
yeah,
Stronger than what we are having in Mwingi.
Right now.
yes,
Yeah. So this is a good stuff. And again, if you cannot achieve that one, this one. you
yeah.
say
We
it
cater
goes-
for
Yeah, if
everybody.
you can't afford that one.
Yes,
yeah.
if you can't afford this one.
So yeah. So again, this one is also a good. So I believe you can start up with this small thing, and you end up.
Going outside there and getting
Yeah,
the big
sure.
one.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you are so excited to be here. I can see that you are so
Yeah,
happy.
we're very
Yeah.
excited because it's surprising and actually that it's right in our backyard. We didn't
Yeah.
even know that there's something big like this going on in our backyard.
Locally.
Locally, actually, yeah,
And,
locally. So,
and actually, it's happening for fellow Malawians.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's
high time we
promote
support.
home industry.
Yes, and we appreciate the local support. We do appreciate.
now we support 100%.
Thank you so
Support it
much.
And we are ready to buy.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
Happy customers, yeah.
Yeah, you'll be happy customers.
Hope more people will be coming in now.
Thank you very much.
We'll take the word out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.